So hello my dear friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see that if you have GPU in your system or in your laptop and you want to utilize that GPU for your deep neural network, correct? Or if you want to use that GPU for your machine learning or deep learning algorithm to utilize that GPU fully, so here is that video. You can set up that environment, you can set up that installation, all the CUDA toolkit, that cuDNN libraries, everything, C++ and all those things, everything will get ready for you within the 10 to 15 minutes. So the heading of this installation is just within the 10 minutes. So I put a star over there. So there might be some chances or depend on your internet connection and depend on your libraries or depend on your system that how much time it will take. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is first thing, so let's get begin. So you so as you can see here, the first step you can see, you must have, so there are 6 steps that you have to follow. So first thing that you have to make sure that you have Nvidia graphics card in your system. Okay, you have that. So I will not waste much of your time. Then what you need to do, you will simply need to install Anaconda in your system. So how you can get install that Anaconda? You simply go here in the internet and search for Anaconda download. So you simply go here, submit this button, email address over here, agree, continue, whatever the things you need to do, and you simply need to install this graphical installer, or also you can directly download from here as well, depend on your Windows or Mac system. So I am showing this installation for Windows. Okay, so after getting downloaded this installation, this icon something like will come over here. You just need to simply double click over it and install it. Okay, so this video I will show it up right away. So guys, once you downloaded Anaconda, just double click over it and just this pop-up will come in front of you. Just click on the next button. This These are the all terms and conditions which is required for that license agreement. If you want to read that, please read. Otherwise, just click on I agree. That's what I'm suggesting. Okay, and then just for recommended is just for me. I want to install this Anaconda environment. So yeah, click on next. You can see space required is up to 5 GB. So I'm having around 175 GB free in my system, which is a C drive. What I'm trying to say here is okay. So it is installing in this particular destination. Okay, just click over it. Just click on install. It will take some time. So for that, I'm just pausing this video. After finishing, I will just resume my video on. Hey guys, so this setup is almost done over here. So you can see setup was completed successfully. So you need to just click on the next, next, and next finish button. So yeah, it will take some time to start up that window over there. Wait for it. So our Anaconda navigator will start over here, as you can see after some seconds. Okay. So once your installation done, what you need to do, you need to simply open your Anaconda prompt. Okay, if you open your Anaconda prompt, so if you go into the search bar and this after the successful installation of this Anaconda uh, setup, okay, so you will get this Anaconda prompt in your search bar. Simply search over there in your Windows search bar, and you need to create one more environment over here. So what should be that environment? So this one I showed over here. You can see here. So you need to simply copy this command, Control C. This is one command that is conda. We are creating environment with TensorFlow GPU. So it will handle everything for you. It will download CUDA toolkit. It will download cuDNN libraries for you, and it will download all the dependence libraries which is useful for our CUDA toolkit. Okay. Yeah. So it will make your life much easier. So just go here, paste it over here. It will create one new environment for you. It will take some 15, I think, I don't know, but depend on your internet speed and all these things. Depend on it will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes to installation all these things. Okay. So you can see currently there only one environment. You can see the base environment only there. So we are creating one new environment using this particular yeah, using this particular command. So if I go here, I will need to just copy this first command, Control C, and paste it over here. So with this command, it will create one new environment with this TF underscore GPU TensorFlow name. Okay, so I'm just clicking. It might take some time. So it's have certain libraries in it, certain packages in it. So by default, it will take some more time as expected. So I just need to create it on S and just yeah, it started downloading all those files. So depend on your internet speed and how long time it will take. It is around 5 to 10 minutes. As per my internet speed, today is very pretty less. So that's why it's so much time. So yeah, we'll wait for some time. I will pause this video and we'll check for it in 2 minutes. As you can see here, it is downloading many libraries like CUDA Toolkit, CUDNN, TensorFlow base, Python, everything for us is downloading entire package, or you can say entire container for us. Okay, so we no need to worry about that. So all the deep learning models, maximum deep learning libraries would be there that you need to no need to install separately and just utilize it from here in this from this environment. So we'll wait for some more time and we'll see what will happen. So yeah, here guys. So after installation of all these libraries, what you need to do, you need to simply activate your conda using this command. Conda activate tf GPU. If I show you, I already created that, so I will just create that. I will just show you the environment which I have created. You can see conda env list. So this is the environment which I have created. And after that, what you need to do, you need to simply activate that environment. Activate tf GPU. Okay, so here you are in your environment, a new environment which you have specially created. And depend on your project, whether we have some dependency over there. This is the conda activate tf GPU I activated just now. After that, what you need to do? You need to import the libraries if you have certain projects over there. So I have one project in my handy with me. So there I am just taking the brain.py. So the brain.py is the one Python file I have created for my testing purpose of my deep learning neural network. So my deep learning project. So in this file, you can see I am using certain libraries or certain packages over here like pandas, numpy, keras. So for image processing and all this is the one image processing project which I have created. If you want if you want this project, I will definitely post this project on the GitHub. You can definitely check it from there. Okay, I will provide link in the description. There is no worry about it. So yeah, so I have this project. So I have some dependence libraries like Python, NumPy. So you make sure that while installing this libraries, you need to make sure of the version as well. If some of the version is not getting compatible with our TensorFlow GPU, you need to make sure that. But most of the version will get compatible with it. Okay. So yeah. So once you have all the dependency libraries in your project or in your GPU environment, in your environment, specific environment, and specifying this is the environment which you have created. Okay, TF GPU. You just have to. So later, what you need to do? So here guys, once you are here in your anaconda prompt, what you need to do? You need to check whether you are using your GPU or not. Whether your this particular environment will recognize your GPU or not, which is present in your system. So what you need to do? You need to just simply copy this command which I have already written over here. So first, what you need to do? You need to just simply import your TensorFlow in your uh, environment. So how will you import that? So simply write Python over there. Python is already installed in your environment, that we already know that. And Control V, import TensorFlow as TF. I am just writing this command. Click on enter. It will take some time to importing this. Meanwhile, I will just copy that another command, which will show us what are the number of CPUs or GPUs. So GPUs are present in our uh, system. So I'm just testing that here as well. So you can see here print number of available GPU length. I'm just calculating the length over here. This tf dot config dot list physical devices and GPU. I mean GPUs are there. Okay, so you can see here it's throwing us one syntax over here. Number of available GPU is one. So in currently in my system, the one number of GPU are one only. So after that, what is our next step? So in next step, we are just checking the whether these are available or not. Just copy. It will, I think, go somewhere over or it is enabled over there. You see? So it is checking everything. What is the GPU? What is the memory is having, and all the everything over here. So you can see it is showing us the name as well. GPU G4 GTS 1650 KSI and all the information related to the GPU it is showing over here. Okay, so it's fine over here. So what I will do now, I will simply exit from this Python, and our next step is that I need to show you one of the running program. So I have one Python file which is using that I showed you now previously. I have one Python file which is using for brain tumor um, prediction, which type of tumor it is. So we'll just take that it is processing the huge amount of images over there. It's not that much huge, but if I can show you that, so if I go over here, deep learning, deep learning project, yeah, yep, in a brain tumor MRI scan. So these are having few images over here, and these are the images that we are predicting over there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, I given the name. So these are the testing images, these are the training images. We are no tumor. So these are all tumor related images. Based on these images, our model will predict which type of tumor it is. Okay, so there are, I think, 3 to 4 types are over there. So here if I go for training, you can see glomerular tumor, meningeal tumors, all the different kind of predatory tumor, all this predatory gland, which is present in our brain. So it will predict all those tumor based on these training images and testing images. Okay, so fine. So what I will do now, so I will simply go over here and I will show you the what I can say, the graph as well. If I open my, one second, if I open my what I can say, task manager. If you go inside my task manager, so currently you can see if I go here in my GPU now. So if I click over here in my GPU, so currently it is using some nearly let's say 50% of my GPU, right? Because I'm recording my session, that's why it is like that nearly 30 to 50% you can see here. And once I started this program, once I will start this program, now what it will do, it will utilize more GPU power as you can see. So that just for your reference. Okay, so just to show you, I'm just showing that task manager to you. Okay, so just do one thing. So cd, whether I I have that in my downloads folder. Downloads, yeah, or so what I will do, I will just simply write Python, and what is the name of that UI file, program file, brain.py, brain.py. I'm just hitting enter over here. In this, you can see currently I'm using this particular environment, and in this environment I am just writing Python and brain.py and just hitting enter. Now you can see how your GPU will boost up over here. You can see it can identify the how many number of classes it belong to. It belongs to 4. So number of epoch is started over here, and as long as you can see the how you can see you can look at it over here how GPU power is get utilized or how it gets uh, pumped out of 4 GB. Correct. Previously it was using some nearly 10%, or now it is out of 4 GB it is using some nearly 90% of its memory. So that's how a boost happen in our program is running over. Just more number of images, more power, and tremendous amount of images for your deep neural network learning. Number of epochs will be more, and there are different conditions that you can use in your program, so that will get affect your speed as well. Okay, so here I am clear about. So here I am done about. So here I am done with my presentation, not presentation I can say, but here I am done with my video. Hope you enjoy this and learn so far. I will share this dependence libraries, everything with you. It will set up your environment within 5 to 10 minutes. It will not take much time. No need to. In one of my previous video, what I did lot of here and there. I have separately downloaded this CUDA toolkit. I have separately downloaded this cuDNN libraries and all those for the C++ libraries. What I did, I downloaded 2017 version of Visual Studio Code, and again did some random thing with the environment variable. We need to set everything, but here hope you are clear about this and hope you understand this well, that how within 10 to 15 minutes you can download or you can set up your project environment for your deep learning. Correct? Thank you for watching this. If you do like, if you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.